All right, one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. I'm in Half Moon Bay, California, just south of Pacifica, which is south of San Francisco, Northern California. And this is an area called Devil's Slide Trail, and you can see a view of beautiful Gray Whale Cove over here. There's no one anywhere around here because it's like seriously windy, like dangerously windy. I feel like I'm gonna get, blown off of where I'm at. And if I do get blown off, it's some pretty treacherous cliffs down at the bottom. I'm gonna show you how windy it is when I step up here to try to get some footage. It's not quite as windy. I'll flip the camera around here and show you the views. Beautiful sunset. And then here's the view on the other side, where the wind is just another very, very cool place. Awesome. Here's how windy it is. Part of this guy's car just blew off. God, it's crazy. I feel like I'm in a tornado. Man. It's hard getting back to my car. That's where I was. Up there. And so walking back here to my car. Oh my God. All right. I'm safe from the wind now in a tunnel. But oh man, what an amazing view. But I thought I might blow off that hilltop. That was a little scary. Walking back, I got pelted by so many rocks. I thought my face was bleeding. But another epic adventure. It was really cool. Look forward to going back someday when it's not so windy. I drove by here yesterday and there was just tons of people because it was a nice sunny day. And so I did have it all to myself because nobody else is stupid enough to go up there. So anyway, hope you enjoy that. Now I know why they call it Devil's Slide. I guess a lot of people fall off that or slide down those treacherous cliffs to their death. But not me. Had a good time, great view. And heading out, flying out of San Francisco here in the morning and heading back to Cincinnati.